In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Joomla template. Whether you're revamping your site's appearance or just making a few tweaks, customizing Joomla templates can personalize and professionalize your online presence significantly. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Joomla admin panel. Once there, everything needed for template customization is just a few clicks away. After logging in, navigate to System and then click on Site Template Styles. This is where all your template customization magic happens. Here, you'll see a list of all the templates you've installed. For most front-end customizations, you'll select the template that you're currently using as your default. For instance, if Cassiopeia is your default template, that's the one you'll want to choose. Once you've found your template under the Style column, click the template name to open up the customization options. Each template has its own set of configurable features, offering you the flexibility to tailor the look and feel according to your needs. Let's take Cassiopeia as an example to see what we can tweak. You'll have options to modify color themes. This means you can switch between light and dark modes depending on the aesthetic you're going for, or perhaps the time of day. Adjusting the brand color is next. This is crucial as it aligns your template with your company's branding, ensuring consistency across your site. If your website includes a logo, there's an option to upload or change it here. This keeps your branding front and center. Further down, you can add or edit the site title and tagline. These small details help communicate your message and establish brand identity effectively. Additionally, choosing the right font scheme can give your website a unique flair, complementing the overall design. You also have control over the layout and a few other settings depending on what your specific template offers. Manipulating the layout might allow you to rearrange certain elements on your web page, offering a more intuitive user experience for visitors. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, remember to click Save or Save and Close. This step is crucial to ensure that all your changes are successfully applied and stored. Finally, to see your hard work in action, go to the front end of your website. Here you'll be able to view the modifications and see how they come together to create your brand's unique online space. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to customizing a Joomla template. Take your time exploring each option, as even small changes can have a big impact on your site's appeal. Thanks for tuning in and happy customizing.